guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a video on what I received in my Ipsy bag for the month of February. To get started off, I would like to review the bag. I think this is very cute. It's very girly and just very pretty. I love the lace detailing on here. Now, I received my bag like about 2 weeks ago, I would say. So that's why it is, you know, a little dirty and all, but I really love the rose pink color. I think it's very beautiful, very soft. And moving on to the lipstick, I received this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. It's part of the Ipsy Unzipped thing. I think it's like a deal or something. Well, if you use the Ipsy code Ipsy30, you will receive 30% off on the, I believe, the full-sized liquid lipstick. I received mine in the shade it doesn't say, but I will be putting it on my lips so you guys can get a review on it as well. I hope this isn't too drying because a lot of liquid lipsticks, especially like matte ones, can be very drying for the lips. Okay, so there's the lipstick for you guys. I really like how it feels really soft and it's not a sheer lipstick. Also, I like how it comes with this little applicator, but as you guys can see, it does have a lot of like excess on it, so you know, just brush it off on the sides and you should be fine. But it's very easy to apply. I really like it. I love this color. I think it's beautiful. I think it's a very wearable like lipstick, you know, you can wear to work, to school, up to you guys. Moving on, I also received this it's an eyeliner in the shade Swiss Chocolate by this brand. I'm gonna butcher this. Trestique. And I love the packaging of this eyeliner. I think it's pretty neat how, you know, it's literally an eyeliner thing, but it's a very pretty brown, like a very, like, I would say like almost a black, but not really black, kind of brown. I would use this on the waterline instead and set it with something, because as you guys can see, we'll see in a moment, this eyeliner, it's not really good for the top lid because it smears really easily. I'm gonna swipe it with my hand so you guys will see very gently. And after doing that, it just came off really easily. I don't know about you guys, but I work 10 hours a day and I need something that's gonna last a little longer than that. So yeah, I didn't really like the eyeliner. I put it on my waterline before I started recording this video and it's pretty much gone, like it's not there. I also received the eyeliners by this brand called Pacifica. They're very shimmery shadows. I got the palette Beach Crystals, and they're natural mineral eyeshadows. They're 100% vegan, cruelty free, and like I said, these shades are very, very shimmery. I will swatch them for you guys. Okay, so here are the swatches for you guys. They're very, very shimmery. I personally wouldn't wear these on my lid just because I really, really, really had to dig into the pan just to get this kind of payoff right here. But I think this golden one is very pretty. I would wear it like, you know, if I'm doing a cut crease or something of that sort, and, you know, use it on my lid. But as for the crease on these darker colors, I wouldn't wear them. I think they're too shimmery. They're the color payoff isn't as good. But moving on, I also received this blush by the brand Bang Beauty in the shade Smoked Peach. One thing I noticed about this packaging here is that it is very hard to like open up the box. As you guys can see, that hurt my finger, but we'll see how the blush works. So I'm going to be going in with my brush by BH Cosmetics. It's this like little angled brush. The number came off already because I've been using it quite a lot, but we'll see how this goes. Ooh, that is pink. Ooh, girl. No, I gotta make this side a little more pink just to even it out. So this blush is definitely really pigmented. I would go in it with, you know, tap into it with a very light hand. It is very pink and peachy like it says. I think it's a very pretty color. It's very wearable if you go with it with the light hand. I think it looks great, but one thing I noticed is that it does have shimmer in it. So you know, if you have oily skin complexion, I would definitely, you know, go in with it with a lighter hand. If that's something that you don't like, if you don't like the shimmer in it, I do not recommend this product for you guys. I personally do like the shimmer in it. I like the glow, you know. I like to have like glowy skin, but that's just me. One thing I did notice about the blush is that it didn't like pick up my foundation when I applied it. That sometimes if I do my foundation and I apply my powder and all that stuff, when I go in with blush, I notice that some blushes tend to like pick up my my foundation and move it around, but this blush did not do that. So thank you, Jesus. But I also received the 417 hand moisturizer. You guys can see here. I will be applying it on my hand. Now I have really dry hands, so something like this is really good for work, you know, because I work at a warehouse and my hands are constantly getting dirty, so I have to wash them throughout the day and all the moisture just gets sucked out of my hands, literally. So having like this little packaging right here is really convenient, which is another reason why I like Ipsy, because a lot of the stuff that they send you are very travel size friendly, and so the lotion does have a little bit of a scent to it, but it's not something that's really overpowering and crazy. It's very silky and smooth. I definitely like the texture that it's giving to my hands. So overall, for the month of February, I think that Ipsy did do a good job. You know, there was some hit and misses, like the eyeshadow and the eyeliner. I personally didn't like them, but you know, everyone has their own opinion to that. The lipstick, I think it's definitely a good size, even though it's like a sample size. I think this is really good. I mean, I can probably get like maybe what, like 3 months worth of just using this lipstick here. The blush, it was really good. I think it's very pigmented. I just don't like the packaging and how hard it was to open it, but other than that, it's really amazing. The hand moisturizer was really great. I really love how this is very travel size friendly, and it made my hands feel like really silky and smooth. So, like I said, I think this month was a really good month, and I'm excited to see what comes on for the next month. As I mentioned in my previous video, I am having a giveaway on my Instagram page. I am giving away the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. All the rules and all that stuff is listed on my Instagram page, and I will leave my information down below on the information box, so you guys can head over to my Instagram and follow all the rules, and the winner will be announced on March the 2nd. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified of every time I upload a new video. I will be uploading videos on Fridays and Sundays. I am yet to decide on what I will do for Fridays, but for now, I am taking any recommendations on what you guys would like to see. If there's a certain brand you guys want me to test out, new products, leave it down below in the comments section. Whatever you guys would like. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!